18 years, that's how long this BMW K100RS has been sitting. Last time it cranked, but it refused to start. Today, I'm fixing that, one way or another.
Now we're gonna give it some juice.
This is the worst part.
They're showing signs of life.
It's not a couple, and it's not small. There's a lot at stake over here. Either this bike runs today or I'm sleeping outside next to it. So what I'll do first, I'll start with cleaning up the fuel tank. Need to remove the fuel tank, wash it off. From what I saw, it's not rusted, but it has a lot of old fuel in it. Obviously the fuel pump is messed up. I'll show it to you. Then I can assemble the new fuel pump. I can sort out a couple of connections. And because when I was taking the old fuel pump out and trying to test it, I broke some wires off, so I got new connections and everything. So it should be good to go. It's almost out. I'll put it on the floor. Fuel tank is officially off. Now I'll remove fuel pump from inside, old fuel filter, and the rest of the stuff. I'll show you how it looks inside. Then I need to find something to plug the hose with and rinse it with water, first of all. And then a little bit of acetone and dry it. I don't know, that's what ChatGPT told me. I don't know what I'm doing, never worked on bikes, especially fuel tanks. So I'm learning as I'm doing stuff. So if I'm learning, you're learning. And if I make mistakes, you will learn from my mistakes. You won't do those mistakes. That's a win-win situation, isn't it? Couple of screws, everything's out. Now, let's see what's inside this bad boy. This one I'll need. That's the old fuel pump. I think that's the reason the bike didn't start when I was trying to crank it last time. Maybe it's good to reuse it, I don't know. Fuel filter looks very good and healthy also. A mesh, which is not a mesh anymore. Keep in mind this bike was very likely sitting from 2007 because that's the last time when it had road tax on. If you don't believe me, I'll prove it to you. This is the badge. I was told that it's from road tax. So from the date, 2007, 10th month, 31st day, I think it's been a while since this bike was on the road. Let's get back to the tank. Now from the other side, I think I need to remove this. Yep. So these are the cables that I broke whilst trying to remove the old fuel pump. As you can see, one of the nuts broke, so I got everything brand new. Now then, the fuel tank doesn't really seem too bad. This is the worst part.
Are you sure about that?
I think I see a hole. Yep, there's a hole in the tank. Didn't saw there before. Now it complicates the whole situation. As long as I can get it to start and test a little bit and maybe plug that hole with something temporarily, this bike is going upstairs like my previous Honda. I'll put a link somewhere in the video, you'll be able to see it. Let me investigate the hole and see where the hole actually is. I found the hole. I'm not sure if it's visible, but it's quite a big one. We'll see what we can do. I'll get a hose and we'll start hosing, see what comes out of it. Let's see what the tank shows. Oh, nice. Most of it is going away. You can see what's coming out. Jesus. I don't think that's what's supposed to be inside the fuel tank. It looks a little bit better, still not great. It looks much better. Still not great, I'll still have to do a lot of work on it. But, especially here, but the result is there. So for a test, I think it's good enough. So I plugged as many holes as possible from the other side. Oh yeah, I need this one. I need to close this one as I'll be putting acetone, and I need it to reach every single corner of this fuel tank. Where there is a hole in the tank, I'll need to plug it with my finger. I'll put acetone now as soon as possible. We'll have a liter of it, rinse all of the sides of the tank, and then dry it out with the heat gun. No time to waste. Let's do this with a finger. It's called Slavic Science. It's still coming out through everywhere. The hole is getting bigger. Eh. Well, it's not the cleanest, but it'll do. All right, time to dry. Now, according to ChatGPT, I have to do this for around 20-30 minutes. So I'll see you in 20-30 minutes. It's been a while. Fuel tank is dry. Now what I'll do, I'll try to clog those couple of holes that I have over there. Actually, now it's much more visible. It's not a couple, and it's not small. It's quite big. There's another one next to it. So I'll need to figure those ones out. So because I want to get this bike running, I went on my other bike very quickly and I bought this. Google said it's okay. I'll try it. As long as it's temporarily stopping the leaks of fuel from the tank, it's gonna do me a good job. So let's sort it out. I make so much of it now, I don't know what to do with it. While the fuel tank is drying, with all the English JB weld that I bought, what I'll do, I'll start sorting out the cables for the fuel level and for the fuel pump. As I said before, when I was trying to remove the old fuel pump, this is what happened. I stripped the wires because it was so rusty that it was impossible to remove the wires normally. So what I'll do now, because the fuel pump came with a kit with everything, I'll sort it out now and it's gonna be good to go. I've got some heat shrink also, which I'll put on the cables just to be 100% sure, because the thingy is gonna be soaked in fuel. Never done it before, not confident enough. I'll crimp it in appropriate way. That's why I got some heat shrinking stuff. Got your ass. Let's see what's the outcome. Shitty outcome. It's a good thing this kit comes with a lot of crimping thingies. Good, I got one. Never done this before. It's the first time ever in my life I'm doing it. So don't judge me too much. There we go. Good. So everything's ready. It's good to go into the fuel tank. So here's the new fuel pump. Here's the new thing. Let's put it together. So I think this one goes in like this. Let's put this. So fuel pump has been assembled with old fuel lines. As I said, the motorcycle is going to be going upstairs anyways, regardless of that. If it starts, if it doesn't, well, if it starts, it goes upstairs. If it doesn't go upstairs, because I'll need to figure out why it doesn't start. I'm putting fuel pump in with the old fuel lines. I'm connecting everything up. Fuel goes in, and we're trying to start it. Let's see what's the result with the fuel tank. Still a bit soft, but not too much. I think it's good to go. I think what I'll have to do, put fuel pump back in, put the cable back in, flip it over, put fuel in it, and it should run. Do it like this. Ooh. Now that all the fuel lines are connected, what I have to do is put the fuel pump back in, plug it all in, make it tight, good to go. In. Another one in, finally. Now, wiring. One wire officially on. Oh, got it. It's getting very dark. Fuel pump is in with all the cables connected. I don't think I did a great job, but we'll find out soon. Well, I'll try to start and crank it. I'll try to do it and see if it cranks or the fuel pump works without actually any fuel in, and then we'll see. If it does it, good. I'll put some fuel in and we're good to go. Day 2 of trying to start this BMW K100RS. So yesterday I assembled everything into the fuel tank, and what I did is I was trying to put the fuel filter on. I broke one of the metal fuel lines, which is not ideal. It's very not ideal, but I did some research. What I'll do some, I think it's called Slavic Science, and I'll try it other way around. what I'll do from the fuel filter, I'll put a line straight into the fuel line, the metal one next to the engine, and then there should be some fuel flow. We'll see what's gonna happen. So this is the part that I broke whilst trying to put this one on, and it's not great. It complicates stuff by a lot, so I'll have to take it somewhere for it to be fixed and sorted out, but it doesn't stop us from trying to start it. Literally a line going straight into the fuel line. It's a bit too small, I think, but it should do the job. And it's on. Now then, the moment of truth. Oh. Nope, I don't think it's gonna start. And it's leaking fuel by a lot. Found another hole in the tank. There's still some fuel in it. You can probably see it on the ground over there. Remove the heat shielding and everything. I'll try to fix the hole, but from what I saw, the fuel is not coming into the fuel rail again for some reason through the fuel pump. So I'm not too sure what's the actual issue. So I fixed the fuel tank and now it's not leaking. There was 3 holes that I fixed. Well, today was the 3rd one. Let's put it back up. Let's put some more fuel in it. If it doesn't actually start, what I'll try to do, I don't know, do some research, but I'm not giving up. Let's see if it's gonna spray any fuel or no, and I can crank it again. Ooh, very good. So technically, it should start. I can actually play around with it a little bit more. Come on. I know you can start. Come on. Come on. No. All right. Let's do it like this. I'll charge the jump pack. I'll go get some more fuel, and then we'll try again. Bet you never seen anyone working with 1/2-inch breaker bar, taking out plugs. Now then, I guess that's the moment of truth number many. Oh.
Ooh, it's the showing signs of life.
It wants to go. It's showing signs of life. I'm gonna charge the jump pack a little bit more. I'll try to charge the battery itself, and I'll try it again. I think it's gonna charge. So sorry, I'm already getting confused. I think it's gonna start. So it's starting to get late, and I'm a man of no patience like always. So the battery has been charging for a while. The jump pack has been charging for a while. It's at 12.3 volts, the battery, and the jump pack is getting close to being full. I think there's gonna be more than enough juice to try and start it. Let's see. Battery's on, now jump pack on.
Now we're gonna give it some juice.
Proper juice immediately. Ignition on, good. Choke, no choke. Let's do no choke. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes! Yes! Smells like shit. Holy shit. It's working. First gear. Wow. Guys, I'm very happy. It's working. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Can't believe it. I'm so happy. That means I can continue my work on this BMW K100RS. Oh man, I'm so excited. And I dropped it in the first gear and the wheel was spinning. Everything was going. I'm so happy. 2 days of work actually paid off. I'm very happy, very excited. I'm going crazy. I can't believe it started with my Slavic Science setup, hose coming out from the tank instead of being inside the tank. Second try.
Still with the old Honda keys. Yeah, you can see I put somewhere you whole playlist.
Works! So as we can see, guys, the bike is running. But it wouldn't be me if I wouldn't do some stupid stuff. So what I'll try to do, I'll try to take it for a spin around just over here and see how it goes. Keep in mind, fuel tank is open. This one is open. Well, it's connected down here anyways. Oh yeah, no rear brake. What could possibly go wrong? Good stuff. Oh, like Bora does. Great success. So, ladies and gentlemen, the bike runs. I'm very happy, very excited about it. I took it for a spin as you saw, so the gearbox is working also. Now, a lot of serious works are about to start. The next time you will see this bike, it's gonna be not outside, just a small hint. If you've seen my channel, if you've seen my first ever rebuild bike, you will see where it's gonna go. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you soon on the next one.